G'day, I'm Josh Garton, and this is the in-depth series of the Classic Cattle Crush. The Classic Crush is a livestock handling all-rounder. It provides a secure, efficient and safe environment for both beast and user. It's made in New Zealand from high quality steel and it's hot dip galvanised after welding. These crushers are made to handle big and small cattle and will withstand anything you throw at it. Available with variety of gate options, enabling you to access any part of the animal. These crushers are extremely popular in New Zealand, Australia and abroad. Alright, let's break down the features and benefits of the crush. Starting with the side gates, we have three options in the range. The regular gate, the deluxe gate and the three-piece gate. The regular gate is our entry-level option, good for a small producer if you're wanting to weigh or head bale a few animals. The side gates have 7 rails, hinge from the back and come with a heavy-duty slam latch at the front. So this means you can draft out of the crush. Next is the deluxe gate. This is a split design with the lower gate being sheeted. The advantage of the sheeted side means the stock can't get their feet through the rails. The lower gate also means you get great access to the underside of stock, for example, mothering a calf. The upper gate has 4 rails, giving you good access for a pour-on drench. It also has the anti-backing ratchet here, which is a great safety feature the vets love. The final option is our three-piece gate. The bottom gate is the same as the deluxe. Here we have the rump gate. This is ideal for when you're branding or even docking calves. This gate drops down and can be left open when running stock through. You can also use the anti-backing bar when the rump gate is down. However, what sets us apart is the E-rail system. This is an integrated EID tag reader. This gate is insulated from the main frame and has an antenna on both sides which work together to increase the read range. This means you can run big or small cattle with tags in either ear. Another unique feature about the E-rail is you can still see through the panel when head baling animals. This system has the best read range in the industry. However, this integrated tag reader is an optional upgrade. The next option you have when you're purchasing a crush is the additional vet access at the rear. This extends the crush by about 900 mils. The extra length creates better flow when weighing big animals. On the operation side, you have a split gate. Bottom half can be kicked in to ensure safe access to the animal without getting kicked. Top half will then open out, then it's safe to enter the work zone. On the offside, there is a single piece gate which allows you to access the other side. Parallel squeeze is available in all models of Pari crushers. Squeeze is designed to shift inward and up. This provides a firm restraint and support on the animal. The squeeze has a mechanical lock box which locks in any position. We have also incorporated a heavy-duty spring which makes the squeeze motion effortless. At the rear of the crush we have our sliding gate. The compact design of the overhead rail makes for a safe work environment. The sliding gate also auto latches. This means cattle can't muzzle it open. Now let's talk about some of the standard features across the Classic range. The offside draft allows you to draft cattle away from the crush without leaving the work zone. This is an optional upgrade on all of our crushers. All of our crushers come standard with a heavy-duty rubber floor. This makes for quieter and calm animal handling. Standard on all of our crushers is the C1000 Headbail. This has been well proven over the years and has some special features. The pipe yoke creates a great pinch point without bruising and minimises the movement of the cattle's head. The mechanical lock box means that the headbail can lock in any position. This is backed by a lifetime warranty. Standard on all our range is the Headbail rear operation handle. The benefit of this means you can control the headbail from behind the animal. This is a great feature when you're working alone, as you don't need to leave the work zone. Another important feature is the anti-backing bar. This is standard on the deluxe and the 3-piece gate models. However, it can be fitted to the regular gate. By using the bar, it eliminates the cattle from backing up. This is an important safety feature if you're needing to access the back of the animal. Special feature on the bar is the collar. This here removes any possibility of the animal being able to wiggle the bar out. All of the crushers in the Classic range come with a heavy-duty 100/50 RHS chassis. Then we have low bar mounts, which any heavy-duty bar can be mounted under, giving your new crush the ability to weigh. This tough, proven range of crushers deserves serious consideration and will stand by you for the years to come. If you'd like to know more, visit our website or give us a call. We'll be happy to have a chat.